Good day everyone, my name is Tarjin Bihunrado from BSc 11. Today we're going to talk about the intellectual revolution that defines society. From this slide, the Enlightenment and its impact. Let's talk about the political transformation. The Enlightenment speaks of understanding or knowing. In fact, this resulted in profound political changes, such as challenge to establish power structures and advancement of democratic values. Next is the scientific advancement. This part describes how the Enlightenment saw significant advances in science as well as the emergence of intellectuals who began to question conventional wisdom and promote the scientific method. And the next is the philosophical revolution. The Enlightenment was also popular among the philosophers who supported reason, logic, and individual rights throughout the philosophical revolution. And let's talk about the impact on society. The concepts of the Enlightenment also influence current democratic institutions, human rights, and the quest of knowledge in society. In this part, we will have the key thinkers and ideas. As we can see, the intellectual revolution of the 17th and 18th centuries produced fresh perspectives and ideas that fundamentally questioned accepted wisdom and thereby reshaping society. We first learned about the revolutionary ideas that have shaped our view on human rights, religion freedom, and the social compact of works of John Locke, Voltaire, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. So now let's talk about John Locke. John Locke progressively defends each person's inherent rights to live, liberty. John Locke progressively defends each person's inherent rights to life, liberty, and property. In addition, he promoted consent of governed and limited government. So now let's talk about Voltaire. Voltaire introduces the concept of religious tolerance, freedom of expression, and the separation of church and state, all of which existed today. In addition, he fiercely denounced the misuse of authority and supported logic and reason. Now let's talk about Jean-Jacques Rousseau. When he advocates that the idea of the social impact in which people willingly give up part of their rights in order to further interest of society. He just underlined the significance of popular sovereignty and the will of the people. And let's talk about the political and social transformation. The rise of democratic individuals. The intellectual revolution had an impact on democratic ideas as people began to question established hierarchies and advocates for a government that serves the needs of the people. Next is questioning of traditional authority. Conventional authority people and institutions are also impacted by the intellectual revolution. People frequently dispute or doubt the legitimacy of various departments of the government or other sources of authority as a result. And let's talk about the push for equality and human rights. Human rights and equality are two things that result from intellectual revolution. The fundamental principles of political and social movements appear to be individual liberty, equality before the law, and intrinsic value that or dignity and of every human being. The next is the legacy of intellectual revolution. We have the development of democratic system. While individuals controls government through voting and making decision, intellectual revolution serves as the basis for the creation of democratic institution. Next is the promotion of human rights. The intellectual revolution additionally advanced the notion of human rights, which culminates in the creation of texts such as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, emphasizing the inherent freedom and rights of every individual. And we have the last part. The last part is the advancement of scientific knowledge. Intellectual revolution emphasizes scientific knowledge and the scientific method in addition to individuals. This led to revolutionary discoveries and advancement in a range of fields, completely changing the way we perceive the world. And that's all. Thank you.